walk. Slim down at home in 5 minutes daily. In 10 days, you'll see change. This video shows a quick wall workout. First move, exercise. Feet at 90 degrees to wall. Palms under shoulders. Keep parallel. Legs and back aligned. Engage core. Next exercise. Lie left side. Feet flat on wall. Left forearm on floor. Shoulder over elbow. Body straight. Legs extended. Lift hips. Pulse up/down. Don't touch down. Repeat. Third exercise. Right side. Feet on wall. Support on forearm. Elbow under shoulder. Body straight. Legs long. Lift hips. Pulse up and down. Don't touch down. Repeat. Rest for 15 seconds. Next exercise. High plank. Hands under shoulders. Legs straight. Feet on wall above you. Hold knee to chest. Alternate. Repeat. Fifth exercise. Exercise. Lie supine. Knees bent. Feet flat on wall. Arms at sides. Lift head and upper back. Alternate reaching to your feet. Up. Repeat. Keeping torso raised throughout exercise. Last exercise. Sit on floor. Back and head against wall. Knees bent. Arms between legs. Palms down. Lift legs. Hold there. Congrats! See you.